Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre coffee at home? Can the Nespresso Vertuo coffee and espresso maker really change your morning routine? This machine is a game changer. With its ability to brew both coffee and espresso at the touch of a button, you'll never have to settle for a subpar cup again. The Vertuo is incredibly versatile, allowing you to choose from 4 different cup sizes, from a rich single espresso to a large 8-ounce coffee. The machine heats up in just 25 seconds, and the automatic shut-off feature ensures that you're saving energy when you're not using it. The large 40-ounce water tank means you can brew cup after cup without having to refill, and the used pods container makes cleanup a breeze. Many customers have purchased and loved this product, and it's easy to see why. The results are always consistent and delicious. Whether you like your coffee bold and rich or mild and smooth, the Vertuo can deliver, and the ability to pour over ice creates a whole new world of iced coffee and latte possibilities. In everyday use, this machine is a dream. The coffee flows smoothly and quietly, and the capsules are easy to insert and remove. Plus, the starter set that comes with the machine gives you a chance to try out a variety of flavors. Overall, the Nespresso Vertuo is a great choice for anyone looking to elevate their at-home coffee experience. It's easy to use, convenient, and most importantly, it produces an amazing cup of coffee every time. So why not give it a try and start your day off right? If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.